Hama persya yu drok kapok kecela gade ke bedang bedeng. Hakamiet jongkar penyo terik urumpang arajar pesan. Nakajingyo lum jingtip ke babanya ki pulit kari Bhoi. Kila yok ban kem yo wei Nongkhaïi drok. Kat bau dang temu ban kieu na Guwahati sa Shillong. Nakawei ke kali Torres. Bat yo la kem na Shillong autonom. Kebahap ke surok ba National Highway 6. Bhoi District. Uni Nongkhaïi drok udah belatip kerteng ke Murajat Pol nakajela Assam. Bat ki pulit kari Bhoi kala pelong ye gajing pen upshirip kadai hadian bikila yo jing tep ke pupnya bau de Nongkhaïi drok kumala pentep dau he pulit kari Bhoi UVS rathor laong bana gajing khandra na utu Nongkhaïi drok la yo ban kurup adu lai pen rio pon lai gram udrok heroin pala kurup ru ye kawai ke mobile phone bat ye kan ye gajing kurup la lek at kum ki kendon jong ke NDPS act kat khandai spa prapusan parula dep ban register case persai u kat kum kate ka ak shisho uhe pulit kari Bhoi ulai thu pakajing toket alor kani gajing yo kem drok kadang ya chkhmat pat kemilin tiru pakin nang yo ban kem ye kiwei pat ki badon kati kani ka kam
Place a small amount of the purple.
Yesterday we got some source information that one suspect is expected to travel from Guwahati to Shillong with a consignment of suspected contraband. So accordingly we did our investigation and then placed a naka on NH6 just ahead of Nongkhaïi town, and we found this suspect traveling in a tourist taxi, and in presence of witnesses all the procedures were completed and we recovered approximately 36 grams suspected heroin, and one mobile phone was also seized from him. And after completing all the formalities on the spot, we have registered a case. We have formally arrested him and he'll be produced in the court today, and the investigation is going on. Some more arrests are likely within next few days.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya